to Elias's and Lara's science experiment. Today, we're going to figure out the weight. The weight of air. Okay, these are the items you will need. 1 balloon pump, 2 pins, 2 balloons, 1 long thin piece of wood, 1 rubber band, 1 ruler, a tape, a pencil, and a thread. So, the wood is 45 centimeters. So, the half of the wood is 22 and a half centimeters. So, I'm going to measure with my ruler how long is 22 and a half centimeters, and then I'm going to draw a line where that ends. So, you need an adult to help you push in the pins where that line is. So, when you're done with that, you have to tie the thread in the middle of the rubber band, and then you hook it onto the pin, the rubber band. And then you have to lift it to see if it's balanced. So now you need your tape and your 2 balloons and the balloon pump. You use your tape to tape the balloons on each side of the wood. Now, will it still be balanced? Let's check. Yes, it is. What happens if we blow one of them off? Will it be heavier or will it stay balanced? Welcome back. So, we've blown one of the balloons up. So now, is it still going to be a balance or is it going to be heavier? It's heavier. Why do you think that? It's because this one has air in it, but this one doesn't. So air can be heavier. Thank you. Bye. So this is the end of our video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.